Iris kitchen. Hey Iris, do you know that the Chinese New Year is coming soon?
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's on the 25th of January.
And do you know the Chinese people, they always make different kinds of cookies during Chinese New Year?
Yes, and today I'm going to make one of them. It's going to be super easy. So let's get started.
Okay, now you're in charge.
Okay. When I say it's super easy, I mean it. Let's have a look at the ingredients. These are all the ingredients. You can mix and match. Almond flats, Florentine powder, black sesame, white sesame, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, mixed nuts. Basically, you just mix everything together. Last, we put the Florentine powder. Now we have to pour the mixture into the baking tray, but you have to remember to use the non-stick baking paper. Now just flatten it. Now we are going to put the tray into the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, and we are going to bake it for around 15 minutes.
Kids, be careful with the heat. So if the kids is doing it, the parents need to help to get the things out from the oven.
When it is still hot, cut it into pieces. That's it from me with our Florentine brittle.
The second one is the coconut cookie, full of the coconut flavor. These are all the ingredients that we need, and the black sesame is for decorating purpose. Here is a little tip to add the black sesame. Wet the rolling pin so that the black sesame can stick on it, then gently press onto the cookie. Easy and no mess. Simple and easy. Coconut lovers, do not miss this. You will definitely like it. The last one for today is specifically for those who love cheese. The egg yolk, the Parmesan cheese cookie is a bit salty, so we are using unsalted butter, flour, sugar, and also the Parmesan cheese powder. This is the type of the cheese powder that I use. Last, mayonnaise. It looks a bit dry at this stage, but it is not. Wearing a pair of gloves, knead the dough and slowly they will form into a firm texture. Roll the dough into a bowl and use your thumb to gently press on top of the cookie. You can see a little bit of crack here, but that's okay, that's what we want. Combination of sweetness and savory cookie, shortbread texture, make it so unique and so delicious. 3 different cookies, fun and easy to make. If you like my video, remember to subscribe, more coming up. Bye for now. Today is the last day of 2019. It has been a year since I started this channel. I would love to take this opportunity to sincerely thank all of my supporters, friends who always leave me comments, and also not to forget those who always watch my video but never pops up. Without you, I cannot keep going. I'm not the best, but I try to. I hope you enjoy the last day of the year and wish the coming year brings you lots of joy, happiness, health, and wealth. See you next year.